So I have taken in this measurement cup 3/4 of ulund, 2 cups of raw rice and 2 cups of idli rice. I have added fenugreek 1 teaspoon along with rice. 1 handful of sabudana. I have washed these 3 and soaked in water for minimum 4 hours. See, now it has soaked nicely. Grind jawarsi called as sabudana ulund first. At least 20 minutes you grind. Use the soaked water to grind. And transfer this ulund in a container after grinding it. Then the next step is to grind both the rices, raw rice and idli rice. This will take at least 30 minutes to grind. Add salt. Now add ulund batter to this rice batter and allow it to grind for just 2 to 3 minutes. Then off the grinder and use your hands to mix it nicely. The consistency should not be too much watery or too much thick. It has to fall. Then only you will get a soft Appam and Kuzhu Paniyaram. This batter you can make for Appam and Kuzhu Paniyaram. Please try in this way and comment please. After mixing, transfer it to a vessel for fermentation. See how beautifully batter is fermented. It has come up nicely.